What's up you guys, it's Emma. I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get this look. It is a pink cut crease. As you can tell, I must like the color pink because the last video I uploaded is also pink eyeshadow. But this is different because it's a cut crease and I finally know how to do them right. Disregard my last video that I tried to do a cut crease on because I was watching Instagram. All of the makeup artists on there put it on their eyelid and then look up, and then that's where your line goes. I totally did not know that. So I mean, whatever look you think looks better, but I think the putting it on your eyelid and looking up looks better and makes your eyes look more open. So just like, don't take my shitty advice from the last video, take this advice where you look up instead of up. So if you want to see how to get this look, then keep on watching. So I'm just going to prime my eyelid with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I'm just taking a beauty blender and blending it in. Alright, I'm going to be setting that with the Too Faced Born This Way setting powder. I'm just using a Luxie 660 Precision Foundation. Alright, so next I'm going to be taking two little strips from this roll of, I don't really know what it is actually. It's like, instead of using tape to make a line, it's just like a softer, oh I dropped it, a softer tape for your eye. You can get it at Sephora. I think it was like maybe $10. Just kidding, don't quote me on that. I don't really know. I bought it a long time ago. But we are just going to put that, gonna peel the back off and just put it wherever you want your line to be. Alright, so now with these on, I'm going to be going into the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette and using the shade Shy, and just using that as my transition shade. So now that I've zoomed you in, pretty much all I've done is done the transition shade. Don't mind my eyebrows, I really need to get them done. So if there's hair, please don't hate. So now that that's done, I'm going to be taking, oh sorry, that was using a Still Spa Essentials brush, just from Walmart. And next I'm going to be using my Sigma Blending E25, and I am going into the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and I'm going into the shade right here called Love Letter, and I am just deepening right below my transition shade. I'm basically just putting it right below the transition shade and blending it in. And it's okay if you get a little bit on this inner part of your eye because we're gonna conceal that baby later. So now I'm just gonna take that Tarte Shape Tape again, and I'm just gonna put some on the back of my hand. And this is what I'm gonna be using to carve out my crease. And I'm also gonna be using a ColourPop E11, just like this flat shader thingy bob. Good description. Alright, so I'm just gonna take a little bit onto my brush, and I'm gonna be putting it just wherever, and then look up. So that's where you want your line to be, wherever you look up, and just cover the eyelid with the concealer. So as soon as you like the way that the shape of the concealer is on your eye, then I'm going to go into the next shade. I don't think this one has a shade. It's from the Sephora Pro palette, but it is just this pinky color right here. And I'm going to be putting that on top of the concealer using just a flat shader. This one is from the Naked 2 palette. I'm just going to be using that to pop that in there. Okay, so my camera hates me and stopped recording because I thought, well, I didn't have any memory space left on my camera, so you didn't miss much. Pretty much there's just a spot on my eyelid that does not want to take any pigment. Oh, you know what, that worked. I just took my Benefit High Beam highlight because it's like the similar shade as the shadow that I was using, and I just put that on the flat brush. Alright, so the blending is a little rough right here, so we're just going to go back into that shade Love Letter from the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette and blend that line out. And then to blend even more, I'm going back in with that Still Essentials brush, and I'm going back into, can't scooch my chair up, the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette, and I'm taking that shade Shy and just putting that where those two colors meet. I'm gonna go finish my face and the other eye, and I will be right back. Okay, I'm back. I've done the rest of my face, and we are going to move on to underneath the eye to finish the eyeshadow. So I'm just gonna go right back into that Love Letter shade from the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and I'm just starting that on the outer corner of my eye here, and very lightly blending it inward. You don't have to do this step if you don't want to. I just find that putting eyeshadow underneath your eye just completes the look and makes it blend together a little better. Next, I'm gonna spray my face with the Hard Candy Long Wear Sheer Envy setting spray. The stuff smells like sunscreen. Still smells pretty good. I like the smell of sunscreen. Well, normally I would put fake eyelashes with this eye look, but I'm going to a family birthday party, so I'm not sure the occasion really calls for fake eyelashes. But I'm just gonna curl my lashes and then use the Tarteist Lash Paint, I think this is called. Alright, so this is the completed look, guys. I hope you really enjoyed it. It's one of my favorite looks that I've done so far. Yeah, I would put lipstick on, but again, family birthday party. And I'm not a huge fan of lipstick. I just like lip balm and tinted lip gloss, but I'm going to eat food, so I'm not going to put anything on my lips because it's just going to wear off anyway. So once again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!